I've been experiencing a little bit of a rough idle, and you can kind of see it moving up and down a little bit there. And finally got the check engine light to come on. But it was weird, it only did it at idle. Anytime I barely pushed the fuel, it did fine. Let's take a look at the engine. Got a little bit of shake and a little deadness in it. But code showing that it's going to be cylinder 7. So I bought some coil packs, going to try that first. Because I've hardly ever had a problem anytime with spark plugs. Every time I've changed them, it never did any good. But you can kind of see fluctuating a little. And it had gotten really bad on the miss. Like it would go down below 500. It would go down to about 400. And just go back and forth, missing pretty bad. I'm gonna switch that out and show you guys how to do it and see if it fixes the problem. So we still got a little miss going on. And I've got both the coil packs for 7 and the cylinder before to those yellow ones, and I switched them out there. So probably gonna end up being the spark plug. I know there's a lot of problems getting the spark plugs out of this engine, so really didn't want to change those. But if I'm doing it, I'm going to go and do it for all of them. So I know we've got to remove quite a few things over here, but we'll talk you guys through it. So I just used a 9/16 socket to get the spark plug out, but just wanted to show you guys, we're kind of running out of light out here. Inside the gap, try to get them turned both where you can see it. So on this one, you can see it's real clean. And then on that one, and it fell out. It was completely full, and maybe it's still floating around here. Oh well. But yeah, the gap was completely full of soot. So that might have been why it was misfiring. But anyway, about to replace it with this one over here. So it came out incredibly easy. It looked like it wasn't the original spark plug, since it had the gap and it was the Platinum series. But the only thing I disconnected is what looks to be this vacuum hose that's right here. And it basically just had that little white part that you can see, and I pushed it with my finger and just pulled it off. So it should just snap back on. Let's see if we can get it here. And then we'll fire this thing back up and see if replacing that spark plug actually fixed our problem. So we got a new coil pack and a new spark plug now. Take a while for that check engine light to go off, but mainly looking at our tachometer to make sure, turn the steering wheel where you can see it, it's running steady, and yeah, we're looking steady. So I think that fixed our problem. And I'll just clear the engine code. Looks like it's idling smooth. And honestly, for now, I'll go ahead and post this video. But I think I might drive it around knowing that that was one of the newer spark plugs. I might just save these other ones, because that means that they have been changed before I bought the car. But I think that might have us fixed, which is great. I'm going to go ahead and change out the rest of the coil packs, which shouldn't be hard at all. Just basically going to be that 7mm hex head that's all around it. So I'm going to change those out. We'll fire it back up. So it really wasn't that bad. Got all 8 of them out. For the back 2, those are the hardest 2. I ended up using a universal with a 7mm socket, a little 1/4" drive. Was not bad at all for all the other ones. I'd say it probably took 25 minutes because the sun was almost down before it started, and then the sun ended up going down. But I went with yellow ones because then if anybody else gets it after me, they'll know they've been changed. But I'm gonna crank it up. I cranked in between every one of the sockets, or sorry, not sockets, in between all the change outs. That way if one was bad, I would kind of know which one it was. But, oh, helps if I would hook up that vacuum hose. About to say it's running pretty good, but I hear a hiss, so I didn't connect this back. try that again. Much better. So I have a nice steady RPMs, a little bit high until it warms back up, but don't have any miss anymore. About to clear the code. I'd say we're good to go. Well, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. I know a lot of people don't get to hit subscribe on these type videos because you kind of use it, get the information you need. But if we could get 1,000 subscribers, it would be great, because we've had well over 1 million views, just don't have many subscribers. But thank you guys for watching, and have a great night.